Welcome to Kenny's. Today we have 2008 Infiniti G35. The vehicle coming in for skipping, and after we scanned this vehicle, it was misfire number 4. So the po304. So misfire. I'm gonna just quickly show you the fire order, how this work. It's simple to do. Okay, first of all, you're gonna remove the cover. 4 bolt, 2, 3, 4. So I have this. I remove it. You need a 10mm socket. 10mm socket. This is gone. So I get the cover out of my way. This is the engine right now. Okay, so quick reminders. This firing order will start here. Number 1, cylinder 1. Okay. Cylinder 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. And 5, 6. So we have number 4 bad ignition coil. So you need a screwdriver. I already disconnect that air intake hose. So it's quick. You just flathead screwdriver. You already remove that. And I remove this one right here. Okay, when you need a pliers, so regular plier, disconnect this air intake hose, disconnect this one. You're gonna hold it and pull it back. You remove the air intake hose on the driver's side. So I already disconnected. So this is ignition coil number 4 under the throttle bodies. So, and you need 5mm Allen. Okay, just go like this. You lose 4 of them. When you take this out and you remove the 10mm, you replace your ignition coil. Please watch this video to the end. This can help you with any misfire, any vehicle. Okay, so I got my technician here. So he already replaced the ignition coil, right? There's a new one right here.
Yes.
This is the old one. Okay, so remove the throttle body, 4 bolts like this. You can see. Okay, it's 5mm Allen. And when you put the throttle body back, either one replace that throttle body seal or put grease on it. Look, my guy just put some grease on it, and you put this back, and you put the cover back, and put this one back. The same thing. When you put this back, put some grease around this, and that way it doesn't leak any air. And okay, go to put it back. Yeah. So this is the harness for. Okay, so. Put the Allen, the tools in there. Yeah, that's how you do it. And it's only 4 screws. 4 screws. You just put it on. And when you tighten it, just make sure do not over tighten it, because this is plastic, the exhaust, the intake manifold, so you can crack it so easily. But just tighten it to something small, hand tight. It's go for the other side too. So if you in case have a misfire in this side, there's another ignition coil under the throttle body, because this vehicle have 2 throttle body. They built this as a fast V6 and timing chain with 2 throttle bodies. So it's a fast vehicle. Infiniti G35. I believe 2003 and up, all kind same until 2012. All the engines, the old engine is the same. So you can do it yourself in your driveway. If you have ignition coil problem, so after you scan and see which code you're gonna get. So like I said, this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the intake hose. Like I say, I put some grease in there, you know, and there's some grease, and that way this make it's better, it's not gonna leak. So the ignition coil down right here, everything back to the spot. This is here. Just gonna show you how you tight it just quickly. It's hand tight, so it's making noise, telling me stop. Yeah, don't forget it's 8mm screw, so you cannot just put too much pressure on it. So you go like this, push it back, put this in here, and you like this one in, and you got this one right here. Okay, so this clamps, you hold it with the screwdriver, you put it in, and there's another one, just hold it, and you go like this, and you're gonna tie this, look. Tie it good, by hand, no problem. And this one right here. Okay, so this is also, now we're gonna show you guys the code, ignition code, the ignition light code. This is our scan tools right now after we connect the OBD2. So if anybody know how to, where the OBD2 is, this is the scan tools. You can buy one, connect it right here. You can find the some cars here, some cars in this site. So you can buy this scan tools cheap online. You can scan your car all the time. So you connect my scan tools. So now we're gonna go to code reader. So to the code reader. So right now, say code reader. So yes. Okay. Here you go. You see that code? First code, po304, cylinder number 4, misfire. So you got other code for throttle body stuff. There's no problem because we disconnect the throttle body. So what we do after you do any job, anything, so you go back. So you're gonna erase codes, all the codes. Okay, so yes, erase the code. Are you sure? I'm sure. Yes. Erase and done. So you go back to the code. It's check code. Okay, so you erase one more time. So one more time, we'll erase the code again. So erase and done. We're gonna go to read the code. Yeah. So no code are stored. It's all set. Now time to start. Start. So here is no check engine light. So here's a check engine light, and the vehicle smooth. It's all set. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment down below if you need any help.